Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a good chance you want to know what is the best passive income businesses out there. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you that information, and I'm going to give you a really good guide on how you can really, earn passive income. In other words, you can actually earn income while you sleep. So stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, what is passive income? That's the question. Because you didn't know, passive income is pretty much, um, it's when you have the ability to earn income or to earn money without depending on anybody or anything. This is actually making money while you sleep. So that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you, what is the best business you can start to really earn passive income from the comfort of your home or really from anywhere in the world, maybe while you're on vacation. So this is what I have discovered. Not too long ago, I was actually a slave to my job, and I was really not familiarized with with passive income or earning a dime on the internet. It wasn't until one day I just got tired of just being stuck, and I went online and I looked for ways that people were making money, right? And I saw people that were doing this passively, and this is why I'm going to share with you. This is why I'm passionate about sharing this with you, because I know that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. So first of all, let me tell you, one of the best businesses that I discovered to make money passively is actually an internet marketing business, right? Or you can call it affiliate marketing as well. But why an internet marketing business? Well, the reason why is because everything is online. If you know, on Google there are people searching for solutions to the problems. And guess what I discovered? There's three things you need to make money online. First thing you need is a product, right? Product or service that solves a problem, right? Second thing you need is a system, an efficient or effective system that really does the telling and selling on your behalf. The system, having the system in place in this business model is going to do 90% of the work. And that's how you can actually earn money passively in this business model. And the third thing you need is to learn how to drive traffic into that system. That's your 10%. Okay, so this is how it all works when it's passively. Let's say somebody's searching for a way, they want to know how to lose weight, and let's say you have a program that teaches people how to lose weight. Okay, well, in this program, since people are searching for it online, wouldn't it make sense for you to get that program in front of these people that are already searching for it? Okay, so like if you go to Google, you go to YouTube, you go to different platforms, like I think Facebook has some groups about people that want to exercise and lose weight. Wouldn't it make sense to put your offer in front of these people? Now, this is how the magic works. So once you do that, once you strategically put your offer in front of people already searching for it, what do you think is going to happen? People that actually need, they're really desperate, they want help, and then you have something, a solution that's really going to help them out, they're going to start going in through your offer, and they're going to start, learning more from it and even buying from you. If you get a lot of people to this offer, they're going to buy for you because this is the right audience, right? And guess what? Um, when you do this, you're actually making money passively because it's on the internet. So any offer that you put on the internet is going to stay on the internet forever. And if you put offer, let's say on a website that somebody's already searching for it, right? Then, you can actually be making money from the same offer for years and years to come. And you can even make money while you sleep because people are searching for it, right? They're searching for the information. So now, let's say you're just starting out and you don't have an offer in place. You don't have a product, or you don't have a system. You don't know what the heck a system is, or you don't even know how to drive traffic, how to get that going. Well, there's a solution for you, and this solution is affiliate marketing. Um, Affiliate marketing is simply you're really just pretty much getting paid to promote the companies or somebody else's products, right? And this is actually the simplest and the easiest way you can make money passively. So let's say that company company X is actually they have an affiliate program that that's letting you become an affiliate, and is letting you to use their products and promote them on the internet. And let's say these products show people how to really maybe it shows them how to market online, right? A lot of people don't know how to do internet marketing, so if this program has marketing courses that that people can get access to, and you happen to know people that are looking for these programs like on Google, on YouTube, guess what? When you actually drive traffic to this, to this offer, what's going to happen is that people are going to look into it and you're going to make sales, right? The point here is to focusing on a 10%, which is driving traffic. So at first, you're going to the only work is to learn how to drive traffic, and traffic can be attained in two ways. The first way could be free, which is going to take time. You're going to invest time in that. The second way is actually paid, right? There's already done for you traffic methods out there that you can just order traffic, like you're ordering pizza, pay somebody, pay an agency to drive traffic into the offer, and you can start making sales. You can start getting results on the on the internet. It's all about driving those visitors that are already they're already interested in what the product is about into your offer. So with affiliate marketing, when you become an affiliate, the company, right, that business, this is your business, an affiliate marketing business, is going to provide you with promotional links, right? And these promotional links are links that you can actually share on the internet. And again, as I tell you, this links and content that you're going to produce is going to stay on the internet forever. So the only little work you got to do is just simply learn how to how to place links online, right? But you want to do this, you want to actually mix both of the ways that you can get traffic into these offers. Again, this could be free, and free is simply, let's say, YouTube, right? You can actually start creating content on YouTube and simply share your offers on YouTube, right, of people that are already searching for it. Or if you don't have time for that, then you can just invest in getting traffic. You can actually get people to pay somebody to drive you traffic, and traffic is simply visitor eyeballs of people that are that are already interested in what you're offering. So this has to be a relevant audience to what your offer is. So when I started online, I discovered affiliate marketing, and it was actually the simplest and easiest way for me to get started, because I didn't have to worry about products. The products were already done for me, right? The marketing system that does 90% of the work, it does the telling and selling on your behalf. It's already done for me. And then the training to drive traffic was already done for me. So I learned training, and also I was actually this business advisors or mentors actually provided me with their traffic sources, where I could actually just buy traffic like I was ordering pizza. And when I drove a certain amount of visitors into this offer, into this piece of link that contains the products, into this system, guess what? Everything else was automated. I was getting sales notifications, and to this day I do as well. I get lead notification and even money notifications while asleep. Why? Because that's automation. Everything was so automated, and I didn't have to worry about creating these things myself. So that's that's the best passive income businesses that I can really share with you, is actually doing um, starting an online business, internet business, because with internet business, the products are digital, so people have access to it right away. This could be an info product. This could be something that's teaching people something. It could be maybe somebody's looking to train their dog, right? You have a course that trains people on how to train a dog, or maybe you have a course on training people um, how to market online, how people really make money online. Or it could be something as simple, how to do a certain exercise that teaches people how to lose weight, maybe how to do yoga or how to meditate. Whatever the case is, this is actually the best business model for passive income, because it's all online and you don't have to worry about shipping or anything. Another thing I have to tell you, if you get started with affiliate marketing, guess what? you don't have to worry about, the only thing you worry about or you have to take care of is just driving traffic, but you don't have to worry about customer service, because the company that you're affiliated with is gonna really handle that on your behalf, right? So this is actually, you want to start this type of business, and in my opinion, it's one of the best passive income businesses you can start, because and if you go when you're doing free strategies, right, you're actually creating content on the internet that stays forever. Like, I'm still getting leads and sales from things, from content that I created months ago, right? That's the power of the internet, that it stays there. And if you do it right, if you because it's going to take a skill. If you do it right, you can earn passive income for forever, pretty much. It's a long, in the long term as well. So hope you got value from this. Hope you got my number one tip is to start an internet, or an online business that allows you that. It has to have a system, right? It has to be pretty much done for you, so you don't have to, all you have to do is just set up, 1, 2, 3, follow some steps, and really start getting results. But you're gonna have to, learn the skill, get trained right. One thing I learned is that if you want to achieve success, if you want to achieve wealth and earn passive income, you have to model after people that are already doing it, and you have to have the right training, right? You have to have the right people in the right environment. All right, and this is what I'm going to share, what I'm sharing, with you today, and that's what you want to start. Now, if in case you wonder what's my number one recommendation for passive income business, I left you a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link. Watch the video. Get access to the information, and we'll see you on the inside. Again, Michael de la Cruz, and if you got value from this, leave me the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my upcoming valuable videos. All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.